Ninth Prince, you want to kill us all?
Tell me where to find the princes, and I'll see your problem.
Thank you, Ninth Prince.
Well, must be a devil.
Take that up! Take that
Yo, stamina of complete motivation leads the nation to killers replacements. Glock AKs, hand grenades, stashed inside a fox over Kingdom basement. Henchmen of Port Richmond, vibrate with statement to lynchmen. And now I'm born to raise the children of the corn. We march as we hear the horns of Ed Dawn. I prepare, sharpen my machete till it's sharp like a thorn. Lyrical spawn, fuck the graveyard, I bury you in your lawn. There's a law and order in the world of manslaughter. Camera recorder, got me on tape with the microphone screaming rape. Radio stations across United Nations, black, Chinese, Indians plus Caucasians. Pick up the album, Revenge of the Iron Fingers invasions. Lyrical bloodshed, first copy picked up by the feds. They wanna investigate, the metal plate in my head. I'm cold and invincible like an igloo. Brain waves make a shade of atomic missiles. Then transport through the physical, explode through your mentals. The beat fiends instrumentals, got the streets flooded. Night Prince tune in the F and the AM, cause I'm cold blooded. I'm just the consequence of the Night Prince.
This is the second prince. Let's go.
Just the consequence of the Night Prince.
We were just ambushed. I fear they might be dead.
I'm just the consequence of the Night Prince. 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 I'm just the consequence of the Night Prince.
Hey yo, this the boy HO2FA, man, and I fucks with my boy the Ninth Prince real hard. I need y'all to check this one out. This the boy Ninth Prince. Let's get him.